In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Squarespace account. Losing access to your account can be stressful, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to regain access smoothly. Now, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace login page. Maybe you've tried logging in multiple times and just can't recall the right credentials. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Below the login fields on the page, you'll see an option labeled Can't Log In. This is your lifeline. Click on it to start the recovery process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Squarespace account. Make sure this is the email you used when you set up your account. Once you've entered the email address, hit Send Email. This action will trigger an email from Squarespace to be sent to the address you provided. Now, it's time to check your email inbox. Stay alert to make sure you're checking the right email account, and don't forget to look in your spam or junk folders if you don't see it right away. The email will be from noreply@squarespace.com. In this email, you'll find a password reset link. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be directed to a page where you can set a new password for your account. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. It's a good idea to combine numbers, letters, and special characters. Enter your new password and hit Save. With this action, you'll have successfully updated your password and regained access to your Squarespace account. If, on the other hand, your issue is with a forgotten email address rather than a password, there's a handy option available for that too. On the same login page, you'll see a link that says Forgot the email address. Click on this to proceed. Here, you'll have the option to either enter your domain name or your phone number linked with your account. Once entered, click on Send Email, and Squarespace will assist you in recovering your account associated with that information. And there you have it. Recovering your Squarespace account is a straightforward process, but remember to keep your recovery email address up to date and easily accessible. I hope this guide was helpful, and that you can now successfully return to editing your Squarespace site with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time. See you.